Did you know a failed military siege accidentally killed 50 million people? In 1346, a Mongol army was camped outside Kaffa, a wealthy port city on the coast of Crimea. They had been trying to take the city for months. Then soldiers started dying, not from arrows or swords, but from a mysterious plague spreading through the camp. Most armies would have retreated. Instead, the Mongols loaded their dead onto catapults and launched the infected corpses over the city walls. The city didn't fall, but the disease got inside. Genoese merchants trapped in Kaffa fled by sea. They carried the infection onto their ships, into the ports of Sicily, and straight into the heart of Europe. Within 5 years, 1 in every 3 Europeans was dead. Entire villages were wiped out. Cities lost half their populations. The Black Death became the deadliest pandemic in human history. Nobody planned any of it. The Mongols just wanted a harbour. What they got instead was the most catastrophic chain reaction the medieval world had ever seen.